Big up Crossy Stevie.
Crossing Stevie a reach, yes.
Me let's see I walk in the shop them and I go in the Louis V all shop them and I bust the thing them. I be a fake blood clot things you have done. That member said me there at the hotel when blood clot suitcase are closed. And you turn to me and say, my niece, me can't link your point. And I said, Dan, I just don't like fake clothes. That's just me. Who want to wear it? I don't have a problem. I do not like fake clothes. Me wear what my money can blood clot by. Me and a hype gal. And you turn round. You go to Jamaica for 4 blood clot there. And you say my teeth your dress. My teeth how much tight suit. Then if me and you got your blood clot hotel, me a come out with your suitcase of clothes. And you not stop me. You not stop me. The way you lie and blood clot wicked. Eh? Me treat you so good. Me never do you nothing. You want a friend pussy, you want a friend puss. Nobody will stop you. You could have walked away and me you don't go down the road where we go down. But we go down the road and me eat you. And me not stop time. Me don't know pussy in real life. Say anything pussy wants to say about me she can say. But me meet you and me treat your blood clot good. Because all of them friends that we are talking about beauty and that, none of them never jump up and say, make me blood clot follow you. Go support your father's funeral. And you turn round. Try for blood clot disgrace me. I'm not ashamed of my blood clot game. Cause I know me alone fuck on them man. I know me alone lock up them man. So why you making it your problem? Leg half family lady. You'll come off your life. Cause my man not like that. Me dep on the life. You rub out your blood clot. You want to come back and rub out your bumper clot business. That I don't give a fuck why you rub it. I be fucking. Yeah. Cause you're not getting no cocky. Straight up. You're not getting no fuck. That's how you tormented so. You want a young boy and you're old. See that talk to my sister? Mr. From the woman see my sister to see how me beautiful in a real life. The woman say you're pretty for two. Some say I never know some pretty. My fluffy and pretty in a blood clot. My good looking. Beverly Brown I carry no ugly pitney. All our nice. Yeah. I tell you for tell you now. You can't buy blood clot looks but you can't buy body. So my shape bad. I'm shape like a 30 for a carrot. I can't go buy body and mold. Make them mold me and shape me. But you can't buy a neck. And you can't buy a head. And you can't buy a hog face. Then you all you forgot put up down. Blood pressure kill you. Where you go? Where you bad mind so? Cross this girl or you bad mind so? Eh? You see your husband or your daughter don't like you. You never need to come argue. Hmm? For them alright to that old man. Remember say no. The people them see you there pan man a beat you pan roadside, you know. And you weathering there on your finger in a dirty woman. Hmm? You a fuck your husband a fuck. Be a dirty life for not live. I wanna come out here. The internet is not real. Because when I go down on your blood clot down your community, that I'm tell you where you really hate me for. And you have to cook up for bring me down. Because you think of me tell the people them about your father funeral and tell the people them say you not have no name in your community. I thought this a million times and your sister got the name. So you feel somebody gonna come out and talk about it. I wouldn't if you never fuck with me. And you saw you fuck around me and fuck around me. Stop talking about your body, man. You're no bad girl. You idiot girl, Dan. Dan, you're big idiot girl. Dan, you're 2-year probation up yet, Dan. Me no afraid for go to prison. Me no afraid for go to prison. And you fret up blood clot and me a storm. I have to take down all of the life them where Erica do and bring a happy feet panic. And we have to get the life them and give off your cargo blood clot court. I don't want to lose my job in the car. I lose my job. I going to lose my car. I'm going to lose this car. Your husband said, nah, pay all of them credit card bill where you run up and go do your fuck up body. Fucking bitch. You can't touch nobody if you broke the probation, the dirty woman. Dirty woman, if you broke the probation there, you got in a trouble. So shut the fuck up and stop come out and come boy your bad. And gangster, you give a blood clot name, so. Bitch, you want to say a wangster your name. You don't need no gangster. No gangster woman no fly them out like that. You're gangster. You're dead with somebody's secret. A gangster, rather you kill them than them grass and stitch on them blood clot friend. You fucking stitch bitch. My friend, the dog head woman comes and all is no bad. Tina, we know she's a bad girl. Me go along in her community. Me know she's a bad girl. Them eat her around there. Down to the dog. Down to the mongrel dog. I run her down for life. And there them a laugh. Me shame the blood clot that day there. Why? Why? And I hear, and I call me. Tanya, with the blood clot. Me saw the dog them never bite a piece of your blood clot batty draw. And fuck it up some more. But sorry the dog them never gang bang me and fuck out your hole. Dirty woman.
Dan, where you wake up, Tanya, for? Where you trouble girl for?
Lift up from both ya. You don't even bring a blood clot dog food come give it, bitch. Lift up from boy ya. Ya come walk like say you pay your dues, boy ya. Lift up. Eh? Me don't know what you come wake me up for. Come not trouble this dirty woman. I'm not afraid of you. You know I'm not afraid of you. My mouth has bad blood clot equal like you. She made me just want to rub out her blood clot for the next 10 hours. She told me right. Now call me name and you're thinking blood clot mouth. Marie can't talk to me because then Marie here. She have to take out her denture blood clot night time and put it in the water. Wait! No dirty diary. Come and cuss me. I'm not see the dirty woman. No girl will have fake teeth in them blood clot head can't chat to me. Marie afraid. She afraid to wear her teeth, her fast teeth. That's why she can't smile. So my girl wear your teeth. And so it go you get old, you're in your 50s. Your teeth are gonna drop out. Yeah. I hope my teeth them not drop out, you know. Because I love my teeth them bad, that's why I cure them.
But I drink some right now cornflakes.
But I drink some red pea soup. Me not like when people trouble me when me not trouble you. Me not trouble you. Do not trouble me. Dad, I don't like you. You know so anybody else can call me name and me don't pay them man. It's that woman there. Me eat her so bad. Dad, me eat you. Stop talking about we're gone. We're gone. Like say nobody. Dad, do me tell you something I miss you. She can't chat to me. Me don't miss none now, no. Me I live my life. The one that we got 24 blood clot hour. And me I live my one. Whether I want so cocky, do what I want to do. It's my life. We are worried about the girl and we are so good for. where your eye down stuck, you should have taken you out of the project. I stuck you workless and blood clot. Cause for your fire drill sergeant. Yeah? Good, good job the man at work. Anyway, the man say, and me feel like say, the man buy a house, he make up and buy the house, in and daughter name. The daughter will eat you down. The man daughter them 9 you. When the man got Thanksgiving, you can't blood clot go. You can't go. Go sit down around your daughter them table and have Thanksgiving. The way them eat you. Eh? The man say nah, because the man know say if him eye blood clot lock, you're not gonna bumper clot give pity them nothing. Me feel like so the man buy a house in a daughter name. Me not ask you anything my for a long time. When she talk she beat up the daughter them too. She and them fight at Jamaica, she beat them up, she beat up two of the daughter them. But if you are fighting your children them, eh? And my daughter come at me not fight her. Me just the police come take her out. And you fight the man daughter. And how much years after them still hate you. You and them don't have a relationship. When the mother go, him draw the little girl behind him. And you can't go. The man said, nah left no legacy for you. Nothing, nah blood clot and a project that you go whole and dead in a. You not get nothing, your pussy no value no. When you stop come out here and brag and boast about man a good at this and man a good at stuck you only pay the rent in the house and then have to pay the cable bill and then get free light and free when a summer them get the air condition free. When a winter them get the heater. Nasty dirty blood clot woman. Eh? I say man a mine, no. Which part? The man should have buy a car. Him should have buy a BMW. I arrange you over for your chase so hype. Which part when I get man who know what is
Why the man a go buy that when him not buy our house, Tanya?
But that me I say, what them call mine? Yeah, worry about right. But he used to have him car. He used to have his fucking car. We not fussy. When we ready, we gonna get to car. We not run down. Car gonna always be there. British transport them of blood clot feel me. Marie have a car. Ah, I said have a car. Ah. So why you worry about me and my 6 blood clot? God bless. And eat them what you say me name because remember say you give me the abortion pill for swallow the dirty blood clot Kilimanjaro. No, my man. Where's the sleeping dog? I bet them sleep. But don't like you, dad. You don't get it. Me eat you. Me not like your blood clot. No call me name. Same thing me tell all similar pilot cam. No call me name. Me not like you, no. Me eat you, no blood clot. Me don't want a friend from none of you about man of mine. What the fuck out of here? You know when man of mine blood clot woman? Hmm? You may pay all the bills there and pay a credit card bill and all of them there. You have to work. Why go and Paula bless? You have to come out, come blood clot work, dirty woman. Cause not you. And them up them in there Jamaica. When the man yeah lock you not get them neither. Because I'm mother house, I don't know him alone. I'm and him sibling them. You know blood clot get it, dirty woman. Some of you know. You got Jamaica and you pay 100 US a blood clot night for stay up. Run down Pegasus Hotel. Pegasus Hotel, bitch. You know me spend 2 blood clot 2 nights a Falmouth. And I want to get the community with pool and everything. And a £350 for 2 blood clot night. Me pay nasty woman. But tired of that too. Me don't want to argue with this old cow. What this old cow come for me? I'm here for sure I said nasty woman. You irritate the fuck out of me when you call me name. I don't like your blood clot. Me hate you. I call me blood clot name. If you say you move forward, you know move and keep it moving. Anything where you, if you do a live, your page is public. Anybody can grab it and put it up if they want to. Because once you press your live like this, all if your page private, people are gonna on it, black and Ottawa people, where if them feel like to take it off, they're gonna take it off. But see you post, all of them you post my foot, you post my back, you post my belly, you put up me and you together. The facts still remain, you're all done. You're old. You can't change that. And me know blood pressure kill you. You can't steady with the matic and I will ride out your blood clot. Hey, dirty woman, don't make me give you 40 days and 40 nights, no bitch. Don't call me blood clot name and apart from me, no dirty woman. Come and pull on this, you know, and go my ways, you know. Me can't write up anything because other day, me never post you, and you run and go post me. I put me and your picture, say, Dan, you always want to be in competition with people. You like me say me not post you. Me not post up on my blood clot page. Because I go for your peel out head picture them, you know. Dan, my ear shots. See there? See that, Dan? It's a grow back. See there? Dan, I better say I can't do this. Do this and win me, Dan. Dan, me can't wear my head shot, me can't wear my ear tie, me can't wear. Me have 6 fitness, but see my blood clot breast them, yeah. Round up and nice, I'm a breastfeed the 6 of them. Them the flux, see them brown and nice. Father can see the man, yeah. Come take him out of the bed. Come check him out! Over the dirty blood clot and what? Yesterday the one blood clot rallying. Can you come tell him, sister, oh, I will take him out for your drinks. You're ugly. I'm not like ugly woman. Him, me put her back a little weight. Me I forgot back for my diet. Every man have them choice of what them like. How it go? It hurt to know. We don't make so much mischief. We don't contact him family them. We don't do all these things. And remember when Marie come out, rolling ear to your line, the boy did that dead over me in the prison line. Me I tell babes. The boy did it for 1 month and him I think about him baby mother. What? Not too enough. Nobody never send call or no. Him not know him eat to the rally tell them how you eat them. Him eat to no from day one. Him who used to want me for come off of the phone with him like where move. All una protesting blood clot vein time still here to know. I never ask for una protest for him. Him say must supposed to lock him up. Alright go. The man will lock up. If don't have a problem, and una have a problem, so una sick. Una sick. Maybe I know some tell us I'm stop emptying there. But the woman want to dry me out. Where's the Keisha? You been busy sucking and fucking. Oh, you mean? Cocky for yam. Freaky girl of them girl let me love. Freaky woman of them girl let me love. Yes, sir. My
Anytime I fuck, my pony gets
Why? Where I worry about we want suck out. We supposed to suck with man out and bed on. Where? Dirty woman. Nobody don't like you on the internet. Move. You're too much. As you come on, you can't cut.
Hey,
You
Keisha.
can't cut. Only one of you. Eh? You like talking about people's children. And when people start animals, hey, I will struggle, tear the pussy tongue and tap up on the top, put it in a ninja blender, blend it up in her. You understand? You got blood clot, get upset, and you got hurt you. Don't trouble when a blood clot from there. You must say dirty blood clot, woman. Can't them say get some back and say,
You see you, Keisha. That's why you're missing in action.
me not rag
Live
your
your life,
girl.
yeah, girl.
Live your life.
That
Live your life.
nicer than out, yeah.
Exactly. I feel like informing her because I want you to hear the live. What's live? I will rub out your blood clot, nasty woman. Woman, I leave me alone, man. Dirty
No,
woman.
Keisha, come tell we. Not Keisha. Kiki, come tell we about Dan.
No,
Dan Presley.
listen, Kiki, me get it now my inbox. But then I watch you walking there and me get some. I said, why not that cost you? I said, no, that cost me. For what? Me not trouble her. I'm gonna listen to it because them scream grab it and give me. I'm gonna say, here, that's all she can cuss me, boy. You go to Jamaica, go fuck. You lock up your man. Boy, I never want you. What's up to do with you? I the only, me say nice girl like Halle Berry, Ciara, all of them girl got through man, a man no want them. So a big shake back, eh? A big as they call me. So what if a boy no want me for the first? Eh? That's the problem with that. God nice and I'm your shit. I saw when Rebel used to go, Rebel said me want the boy. Here if the boy intense. Intense use Rebel and left her. Intense.
Listen, you know look how much dope body girl, fake body girl can't keep a man.
Eh,
But Dan boy.
I am a cute and dear father. I just say, I'm
You
just
can make
say,
up one bag of noise over there, so. Fuck.
and
Sorry,
everybody,
girl.
everybody have them blood clot man problem. Me know you have your man problem that cause your brother war every day cause you fucking your brother and sister. Me don't know how you forgot fuck your brother to blood clot. Me never see it like this. Oh, your head bigger, him head bigger, you not a neck, him not a neck. Alright go. Eh? Where you cost hope for? You see the woman that live her life with her dog, Chanel. Blood clot. Eh? Oh,
Me not even hear your part.
exactly. When you worry about hope, come hope friend the devil them. Remember, I know you come friend the girl man them run you, you know. You have to talk, say you come friend the girl man them run you, you know. And it hurts you because the girl them that accept you. She married to her brother. It's she don't look like husband and wife. They look like brother and sister.
And that's not even a joke.
It's true.
Yeah, they do look alike.
They do look like the two of them head big alike.
No, I know. Trust me. Me know. I believe you. Can me see it with my two eyes.